Hey guys, welcome to a new channel record known as What Are We Smashing Trashpost Edition. Today we have this landline phone, or office phone, and it's really not that much interesting other than we don't use this anymore because of this. But there's some quote-unquote interesting features in here, including the spare battery button, which is something I can do all day. You can take the receiver out of the phone. Damn, this video got really fucking boring. But anyways, let's start the video. Obligatory cliche from Bonnie Studios. That was quick. The receiver is about to split open. Wow. We see the insides. Damn, that is a lot of capacitors. Yeah, I think that's enough of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll probably upload the Cruise Rewards on time, unlike last year. Bye.